So this is the final video of our sequence on jump tables and switch statements. Um, and there are just a couple details you have to tidy up. First, we have to remember on an MSP 430, there's a range of memory for that's read-write called it's of RAM, and there's another range that's much bigger containing flash memory, which is read-only. And I notice our instructions never change. The instructions aren't changed during execution of a program, so we could put the instructions themselves in read-only memory, and the command there's really called a sudo op to tell the assembler to put to put uh, instructions or values in read-only memory for execution is .text, and And we also want to tell the assembler that F is a global symbol, which means it'll be visible to other object files that are linked with it. And finally, S is a variable that gets changed. It's a state variable for the program. So S needs to be put in read-write RAM memory, which is done with the sudo op assembler sudo op dot data. Since we moved some stuff around here, there we go. Everything's all lined up, and now this implementation of F is done, and you now know how to convert a switch statement into first go-tos and then replace the go-tos with a jump table. And I want you to notice that this will only work if the cases are constant, which is required in C. So you can't say case A where A is a variable, it's case 3. Finally, what I want you to do is go back to our web page on switch statements in the lesson in the online textbook, and we work the exact same example there. Notice in this one we put this time we put the jump table in the text segment because after all it's read only. You could put it in text or in data because it's not supposed to change. So it's really an array of constants. And finally, I'm going to suggest that you should look for this list of questions. You should be reflective questions about the problem we just worked on. And of course, we have a practice problem of another case statement that you should work on. Take care. See you in class.